In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ExpressVPN service unreachable error. This error usually happens when the ExpressVPN app can no longer communicate with its background service. In most cases, that does not mean your internet is down or that the VPN servers are unavailable. It usually points to a stuck process, a service that failed to start properly, or security software blocking the app in the background. So let's work through the fixes in a clear, practical order. First, completely close any stuck ExpressVPN processes. On Windows, press Control, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If you only see the basic view, click More Details. Then, under the Processes tab, look for anything related to ExpressVPN, including the main app, the engine, or the notification service. Right-click each one and choose End Task. On a Mac, open Spotlight with Command and Space, type Activity Monitor, and open it. Search for ExpressVPN in the top right search box, select any matching processes, click the X at the top, and choose Force Quit. This step helps reset the connection between the app interface and its background components. If you're using Windows, the next step is to restart the ExpressVPN background service. Press Windows key and R to open the run box, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down until you find ExpressVPN service. Right-click it. If it's already running, choose Restart. If it isn't running, choose Start. Then right-click it again, open Properties, and set Startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. This makes sure the service starts correctly every time Windows boots. Next, check whether your antivirus or firewall is blocking ExpressVPN. Open your security software and go into the Advanced Settings. Look for a section called Exclusions, Exceptions, or Whitelist. Add the ExpressVPN installation folder to that list. On Windows, the default location is the Program Files folder for ExpressVPN. On macOS, it's the ExpressVPN application in the Applications folder. Save your changes, close the security app, and then try launching ExpressVPN again. This is important because some security tools can interfere with local app-to-service communication. Finally, repair your network stack. Close ExpressVPN first. Then open Command Prompt as an administrator on Windows. Enter these commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each netsh winsock reset, netsh int IP reset, and ipconfig/flushdns. These commands reset key network components and clear cached configuration issues that can interfere with VPN behavior. After completing all of that, reopen ExpressVPN and see if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these